At Portland Automotive, efficiency matters more than ever. And with the latest tire changing technology, changing a tire has never been easier. In fact, it's so simple, even a kid can do it. Our young technician rolls the wheel into place. The tire machine's clamping system means no heavy lifting. Once the wheel is in position, with one push, the clamps adjust automatically, locking the wheel securely. Next, it's time to remove the tire. Traditionally, this is the tough part, but not anymore. The smart hydraulic arms decline, creating a separation. Our young mechanic barely had to lift a finger. Now it's time to fully remove the tire, lifting the tire off the rim smoothly and safely. Let's put on that new tire. The tire machine positions the tire and rim perfectly, and with just a push, we're ready to go. Now let's inflate the tire. Safe, accurate, and incredibly easy. And just like that, we have a perfectly changed tire fast, smooth, efficient. Thanks to our young technician, it's never been so simple. Even the next generation can handle it. Over at Portland Automotive.